Hello my dear scalpers, welcome to another scalping zone video. After I released my first scalping zone video, it has a lot of interest and many of you have requested to release the more part on it. So I'm gonna release the second part of this scalping zone. Now if you love scalping and make money from scalping, then this is the best video you'll ever find. So make sure you stick till the end to grasp everything I'm presenting. And if you haven't watched the previous part, then I will link above. You can watch that so that you can have a full understanding of all the scalping zone that you need as a trader. Now before I begin this scalping zone part 2, make sure guys you smash the like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. This is Forex Wizard from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Without further delay, let's get started. Okay guys and girls, so before I jump onto the real chart, let me explain the concept behind this scalping zone 2, where you can find incredibly profitable scalping trade. Now first of all, look at this one here. So this strategy, this scalping zone 2, is based on what we call a mirror level. Now what is a mirror level? Let me explain what is a mirror level in fact. So to understand mirror level, first of all you need to understand the key level. So what is a key level? Many of you probably have already known it, but let me explain again. A key level is a level on the chart which is a very important place or zone where the price have rejected in the past multiple times. That is called a key level, and a key level can be very powerful. So to draw a key level, normally we use daily time frame, high of the daily. So let's say a key level like that. This is the high of the daily. The price has rejected from this level, has gone back to the same level. Okay, probably a little bit up and down you might find it, and then from that level again the price rejected. So basically it's maintaining this level and having a strong rejection probably create a bigger move that we called a key level. Now to draw a key level, it's a different subject, but we'll show it in the chart because you need to draw the mirror level in the same way. Now what is the mirror level? Now the mirror level and the key level, the only difference is that mirror level is when a key level or an important level is broken, either resistance or support, and then the same level acted as a, let's say when it is broken as a resistance, acting as a support and maintaining this level and rejecting. That is what we called a mirror level. So mirror means what you have seen down has been mirrored at the top. That we called a mirror level. Now keep in mind that mirror level is very powerful, even stronger than key level. The reason is when a mirror level is formed, it basically in a key level, for example, this level acted here all the time as a resistance or a supply zone, but a mirror level here acted as a supply zone. Once it is broken, it is acting as a demand zone, and once it is acting as a demand zone, it's maintained, means the same level acted as a supply and demand zone, which is a mirror level. And the key concept of this scalping zone 2 video is the mirror level. We will find clear mirror level on the chart on the daily time frame especially, and then we will maintain that level for lower time frame, 5 minutes, 1 minute, whatever time frame you are scalping. And then you will see that incredibly powerful scalping trade formed available in that zone that we will be looking at now in the real chart with quite a few examples, guys. Now before I jump onto the real chart, guys and girls, I have really good news to share with you is that EverTrade, they are globally regulated broker, offering 40% welcome bonus to all the followers and subscribers of Forex Trading Wizard Academy. You can claim that bonus if you are in an eligible country. The link in the description area. you can use the code wizard when you are opening an account with them. With that said, let's jump onto the real chart to find out how we can apply this concept in your scalping trading. Okay guys, so let's begin with gold. This is daily chart. We'll find out the level and then we'll jump onto 5 minutes chart to see how we can find scalping trade in this important mirror level. So first of all, let's look at how to draw a key level. Let me replay this chart here, then it will be easier to grasp. Now, as you can see, this level, this is the long wick candle here and created a very important level. Let's draw a level at the top of this candle. Now keep in mind that any kind of mirror level or key level, you need to draw with the high of the candle, not the close of the candle, and try to find as many candles as possible. Probably, for example, here you can see this is the high of the candle and this is also high of the candle, but if I consider this one is the high, then it may not touch here. So we need to touch as many candles as possible with the high, and that is where we see a little bit of penetration, which is in fact a false breakout. Now if you closely look at, you can see we can adjust a little bit here as well. You can see this is the same level here, back to back 2 daily long wick candle has been rejected from here. And also in the past, you can see, you can relate this level to many other zone. Now the same level, when the price has come to this level, has been rejected. Keep in mind that the sooner the price is more important. For example, here this is quite older price, so the latest is more important. So we see that this candle is more important than any other candles here. That is why we are giving more priority on this high to adjust the level, because this is the recent price. Now what we have seen that on the daily perspective, the price respected this level, this is the high, and then created this bigger move. Now as you can see, when the price has gone to the same level, we have seen another rejection, strong rejection on the daily, created a key level. Now this is a key level, it's still not a mirror level. If we draw this level properly, we see exactly it is a nice looking key level. Now when it will be a mirror level, let's replay the chart to see when it is turning a mirror level. Now you can see this level has broken on the daily time frame. A candle has closed clearly above this level. Now this level previously acted here as a supply area, supply zone. Now it is acting, has to be tested as a demand area, and that is where we will find a mirror level, and that is where on the lower time frame, high probability scalping trade that we'll see. Now let's keep replaying the chart and then we'll understand in fact what it's doing. Now let's slowly jump on to the lower time frame to see how the price is reacting to this mirror level. And this is the process. Once you find an important level, you need to draw it, you need to keep it on your chart, you need to track when the price is coming to that level and then creating a pattern for you. Now I know that this is daily chart. If you combine with all the pairs, definitely you will have a lot of trade every day. So let's slowly jump onto the lower time frame, 1 hour 15 minutes. Now let's look at 5 minutes. Now this is the level that we have drawn. The price is here and we'll be waiting for this price to come back to this mirror level and then to give us a suitable entry opportunity. Okay, so let's now you can see this is 5 minutes chart, and exactly from that level we have seen primarily a 5 minutes candle rejection. You can see there was a strong drop to that level, the same mirror level that we see on the daily that has acted in the past as a key level, as a resistance. Now the price in that level. Now the question is, are you going to enter this trade? Not at all, because this is just one candle is rejected. It doesn't guarantee that the price will reverse from here. Then what you will be waiting, either you are trading on 1 minute as a scalper or in the 5 minutes. We need this level either to create a false breakout, that means that to penetrate that level and then close back above, creating any kind of reversal in this zone. This is the most important part, because once the price in that level doesn't guarantee that it will go up at any point, creating a level of false breakout on the higher time frame. It may continue to drop. So once you see multiple rejection, consolidation, or inverted head and shoulder, or double bottom clear with a false breakout, or any kind of stronger confluence for reversal for this price, then only we will be entering the trade. Now, as a scalper, you may not need a big false breakout and big structure. As long as you know that the price is reversing, you can enter the trade. So let's in the real chart to see how it in fact is doing. Now, as you can see, the price, as soon as the price is approaching that level, we see that it is in fact reversing. Now, what do you see? That you can see there is a clear double bottom formation. First one has a strong rejection, followed by what we see, there is a double bottom. So once you saw a reversal pattern has been formed, okay, as you know that how we trade on reversal, there is a double bottom, okay, has broken to the upside with the double bottom, and then back to back two smaller candle tested this neckline of this previous resistance here, which is turning support, and that is where with this bullish engulfer we can enter a trade, or we can keep adding position along this zone. This is a scalping. Once we are about know the direction, we know that the zone is a mirror level. Above this mirror level, the price created a double bottom, and then the price tested the neckline, the previous resistance, turning support, starting of new local trend, and that is where we can keep entering in the zone as a scalper. Now you can see what's happening. Let's see. So you can see, guys, what has been the movement starting from here. You see this is the previous resistance turning support, and the same way this previous resistance turning support, and there has been a huge move. This is gold, and almost 2,570 point move only after confirmation of change of downtrend to the uptrend. And this is the power of mirror level. Let's jump onto more examples to understand it clearly, so that you can start trading as soon as you finish this video. Okay, so let's look at now on GJ, in GBP, in JPY, how we can do this. Now, first of all, let's identify the key level. Now we can see that it is daily chart, and we can easily identify a very important key level. Okay, if you draw this level, you can see this is the high of this big move, a clear high of this candle, long wick candle, created a level, the resistance. Now if you extend this level in the past, you can see the same thing happen here. Same thing happen. As I mentioned that the earliest price is better, so we will give more weight to the recent price than the old price. So we see that based on this level, we have seen there is the price respecting this resistance, and in the past the same level acted here as a resistance. So it is in fact a crucially important resistance level. This is a key level until in this zone. Let's replay the chart from here. So far, if you closely look at, you see that this level basically here acted as a support, resistance. That's now this is also resistance, now acting here as resistance. So if we consider this part, let's forget about this older past, we should consider recent time frame. So if we consider this part here, which is very recent in this respect, not over the chart, what do you see? That the price in fact approach that level, that resistance, which is acting as resistance. If we readjust the level just to confirm, we see that the price now is still rejecting from that level. Now what we will be waiting for this level to be broken. Now we see the level has broken, and back to back 2 daily big green candle has closed above, giving us a high probability that this level will retain. That means that this supply zone will retain and may act as a demand zone. So with that in mind, let's draw it properly. And now what we will be doing, as we see that this level retain the candle closed above this supply zone remaining, that means that it will act as a demand zone. And it is when happen, what we will do is place an alarm, let's say along the zone. You may not be able to all day long watch the chart when the price is coming here. You usually can set alarm on TradingView or any platform you are using, so that when the price is approaching this level, you are notified and you can observe the price action as a scalper. Now let's slowly jump onto lower time frame to see how in fact the price on the lower time frame is affecting that level. So we almost has come back to 5 minutes. Now I'm keeping on 5 minutes because on the 1 minute it might take a little while to reach that price, that zone, but you still can do the same with 1 minute chart if you are scalping in 1 minute, no problem at all. So let's keep replaying until the price reach the zone and then see what happened. Okay guys, now you can see the price almost nearing that previous resistance or previous supply zone, turning demand zone. Now as I mentioned that we will be waiting for the price to approach that level and then to give us any kind of reversal pattern, so that we know that this downtrend, local downtrend, changes into uptrend to enter bunch of scalping trade. So we see that the price just been touched that mirror level that we are talking about. So that key level now turn into mirror level. What we need now, a clear reversal pattern in the zone for entering a trade. Okay guys, we exactly have found we are looking for. You can see that this mirror level has completely violated on the lower time frame in the 5 minutes, and below this level what we have seen that a clearly defined inverted head and shoulder has been formed. The price now change its trend. Now this is the zone we can find bunch of scalping trade, because we see that the local downtrend changes it to uptrend from this mirror level. Now the key points here, you can see there is an inverted head and shoulder here also. Why we didn't consider it? Because it is not fully developed. The inverted head and shoulder has not broken out, has not been tested. This one is so powerful because it has penetrated the mirror level, created a false breakout, and then the price rejected to the upside. Now if you look at closely, you see that in fact it has made a very big move to the upside. You can see it's changed its trend from uptrend to the downtrend to the uptrend, and then the price created a huge move to the upside. Now if you enter from this inverted head and shoulder after closing from this mirror level, keeping stop loss below this low, you can see how many pip you can make only from this single trade. Almost 127 pip profitable trade from this level. Incredibly powerful. Let's jump on to more example to understand exactly how it is working in other instrument. Okay guys, so let's look at this one on euro dollar. Same as this is the daily chart. So let's find out, first of all let's replay the chart to exactly understand what we will be looking at. As you can see in euro dollar on the daily time frame, this is a very clearly defined key level. Okay, let's draw this to understand exactly. Now you can see this level multiple times. This is the daily chart, very important. From here we have seen a strong bounce, quite a few days uprise. The price has come back to the same level, created a long wick candle, has been another bounce, strong bounce, and has come to the same level. There has been another bounce. So back to back 3 bounce from the same level, giving us a very strong level of demand zone. Now this, if we draw that level properly, we can draw it in that way. So what do you see that because in the past this level multiple times acted as a demand zone, and this level is broken, now we can expect it to act as a supply zone as long as we see enough confirmation. So what is our task is, let's say as a scalper, what we will be doing is we will leave alarm along the zone and then wait for the price to go ahead and hit that level on the lower time frame, giving us a clear reversal pattern. So let's jump onto that lower time frame and we'll replay the chart to see how the price is reacting to this level. We'll jump on the 5 minutes and we'll keep replaying the chart for this level. Okay guys and girls, so what do you see that this is the 5-minute chart? As you can see, the price is approaching that same level that acted in the past as a support, now acting as resistance. And what our job is to wait for the past price to go there and give us a reversal pattern, and then we'll start scalping this market for short trade. Okay guys, now we can see in the 5-minute chart, the price has just penetrated this mirror level, that previous support turning resistance, little bit of penetration. What do we need for the price to now reject and to give us any kind of reversal pattern? So let's keep replaying the chart, and we see primarily strongly rejected from this level. That means that giving us probability for trading, but we still need confirmation. We need to see a level, a reversal pattern to be formed. Now we see a clearly defined head and shoulder has been formed. So this is a nice looking head and shoulder in this important level. So not only the head and shoulder, you need to combine the level with the head and shoulder. A mirror level with head and shoulder is a high probability. Now even if you enter here, let's say you enter here, you stop loss only 27 pip, 26 pip, and you can gain incredible trade on this one. Let's look at how many pip you can gain. Now as you can see, starting from here, we have seen already a strong drop happen, and it should continue to drop. But if you, let's say you close the trade along this zone, then what will be your trade? You can see easily with this trade, you can 50 pip profit from this only in this zone, and you can keep adding position on the way. But if you only take one trade, it is giving you more than 2 times profit on this single scalping trade. Guys, I sincerely believe that this important scalping zone 2 video was helpful to you. If you find value in it, then don't forget to subscribe, and also watch these 2 videos will be helpful to you. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next video.